Question of the day. Hello students, I am Pratitna Patil. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Mathematics Infinity Goals. So today's question is based on concept of matrices. So let us start. In given question, we have two real invertible matrices such as A and B. There is one more condition is given, that is AB is equal to minus BA. Then we have four options. Option 1 says trace A equal to trace B equal to 0. Option 2, trace A equal to 0 and trace B equal to 1. Option 3, trace A equal to trace B equal to 1. And option 4, trace A equal to 1 and trace B is equal to 0. To find the solution, consider given conditions. First condition is AB equal to minus BA, denote it as equation number 1, and A is invertible matrix. As A is invertible matrix, then A inverse exists. Now pre-multiply equation 1 by A inverse. Therefore we get A inverse into A into B is equal to A inverse into minus B into A. Now by using associative property, as A into BC is equal to AB into C. Therefore we get A inverse A into B is equal to A minus A inverse into BA. As we already know, A inverse into A is equal to identity. Therefore replace A inverse A by identity. Therefore above equation becomes I into B is equal to minus A inverse B into A. That implies I into B, which is nothing but B. So B is equal to minus A inverse B A. Denote this equation as equation number 2. As all options are asked about trace, therefore apply trace on both sides of equation number 2. Therefore trace B is equal to trace of minus A inverse B A. Now by using properties of trace, above equation becomes trace B is equal to minus of trace into A inverse into B into A. So as we know, trace AB is equal to trace BA. So consider here A into B, that is A is A inverse and B is BA. Then trace AB is equal to trace BA. Therefore this equation becomes trace B is equal to minus trace of this BA into A inverse. Then we get trace B is equal to minus of trace B into I, as A into A inverse is equal to identity, or A inverse into A is equal to identity. Nextly, B into I is equal to B. Therefore above equation becomes trace B is equal to minus trace B. So take this value to the left side, then we get trace B plus trace B equal to 0. That implies 2 times trace B equal to 0. That implies trace B is equal to 0. Therefore we find first value trace B is equal to 0. Similarly, in question, we already have one condition, that is B is invertible. As B is invertible, that implies B inverse also exists. Therefore, post multiply equation 1 by B inverse, that is AB into B inverse is equal to minus BA into B inverse. Then by same procedure which we already done, therefore by associative property A into BC is equal to AB into C. Therefore this equation becomes A into B inverse is equal to minus BA B inverse. That implies we already know that B into B inverse is equal to identity and A into identity is equal to A. Therefore A is equal to minus BA B inverse. We denote it as equation number 3. As options are asked about trace, therefore we apply trace on equation number 3. Therefore this equation becomes trace A is equal to trace of minus BA B inverse. So by property of trace A equal to minus trace of B inverse into BA. As we know, B inverse into B is equal to identity and identity into A is equal to A. Therefore, trace A is equal to minus trace of A. Now, take this value to the left side. Then we get 2 times trace A is equal to 0. That implies trace A is equal to 0. Therefore, our option 1 is true, as trace A equal to 0 and trace B is equal to 0. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.